this adventure. Futurewave. Then you son.
Your team is deep lost.
It's like
You can look around one
fourth quarter shit.
Son about to get it pop.
Love, hey y'all, this that in my lifetime. That get rich or die trying to give sight to the blind. I put my life on the line, envision my life after crime. Niggas ain't writing they rhymes. I drop that sweat on the stage, then turn the water to wine. You niggas wanna be notorious, guess you ready to die. The radio hating like the warriors. They don't want us to shine the glorious. He vocalized the drip, stroke the fly, poking hottest chick. Yo, Nagasaki bomb on your consciousness, kid. Was in the lab tweaking with the beakers, but the lost souls need them like the ghost of Tsushima. What's the meaning when it all falls down like Selena on the feature? Probably the same reason for the season. The plot is thick, float like Dr. Robotnik, then went Sonic for the dollar profit. Seen wins, seen losses, seen complete darkness, seen the light within, had to keep walking. Give your team to Steve Austin. If it's about $1, we can get it poppin'. You can look around, won't find a better option. Let's get it pop. Give your team to Steve Austin. If it's about $1, we can get it poppin'. You can look around, won't find a better option. Let's get it poppin'.
It's Sanzo, I be the legend from the 1st of October. I don't watch, shit I hover around the ends, a black floater. Moonshine recipes from out the last folder. Sip a beer, shorty drink tequila, double shot sodas. BB Young Bakers Club, couple top teams. Wave God in the building from the field of yacht dreams. Blood on the floor, just make sure it's mob clean. The stock was on the rise for a second, it lost steam. My shit is straight butter, dirty as a scrape gutter, sharp as a fillet cutter, qualified blade runner. Face number, spin move, the fadeaway jumper. Shit's rusty, so the 38 stutter. Today, Junior, no remorse for you late bloomers. I made contact, call me Babe Ruthless. Who winning? We made them losers. Known sellers, we make consumers. Walk up out the ocean with a plate of grouper.
Give your team to Steve Austin. If it's about $1, we can get it poppin'. You can look around, won't find a better option. Let's get it poppin'. Give your team to Steve Austin. If it's about $1, we can get it poppin'. You can look around, won't find a better option. Let's get it poppin'.